Alright guys, we're doing the transmission service on this 98 Camry with a 4-cylinder. What I did was, last time I did it about 40,000 miles ago, I actually drained and I replaced the mesh filter in here. But this time we're going to do what they do at Toyota, which is just draining and filling the pan. And that right there is about a, what does this say? It is a, I don't know, 10 mil. Okay, so we put the 10 mil here. Okay, and we'll just, I got the pan right here, and we're just going to see if we can get that open. There we go, we got it cracked. And then we'll just let it drain until it's good. Oh, it's actually nice and red still, more or less. And then we'll fill it up with the Valvoline ATF that I like to use. Okay, so let's let it drain. We'll pull the plug out and then we'll go from there. Alright, the drain plug is out. It's flowing really nicely, and we're just gonna let it drain until there's no more. Alright, I'm thinking it's gonna be around 4 quarts. Alright, I put the plug back in, cleaned up the area. It's pretty much all drained. This is the oil that we'll be using, which is a Valvoline full synthetic import transmission fluid that has the spec for this transmission. I've used it the last time I did the refill, and we really had no problems with it. So I'll be using it to fill up this one again. Alright, here's the dip. We're going to pull it. Then I'll put a funnel in. And then let's start filling. Okay, we'll start filling with some oil here. So we'll put about 3 quarts in, and then we'll go from there. But the color that came out was very good. I'm very surprised how bright red it still was. So it's doing a great job. It wasn't brown or yucky or anything like that. Alright, that's pretty close. Okay, let's run it through the gears, and then we'll check the flow. We'll check the level, and then we'll go from there. And then we'll top it off as the transmission comes up to temperature. Because we can do a cold measurement, but usually a hot measurement is probably the most accurate once it's been running a little bit. Okay, so let's see. Alright, engine's on. We're going to run it through the gears. And back to park. Alright, and then we'll do it again one more time. Looks like it's engaging very well. And then we'll go check the level in park and let it warm up. Okay, let's do another wipe. Insert. And see where we are, and looks like we're between the hashes if you look at the done. So I think that's enough. Yeah, I think we're right where we want to be. Okay, we'll check it again as we drive it, and just to be sure, but I think we're fine. Alright guys, thank you for watching another video. Thank you for subscribing, and as always, have a wonderful day.